फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके साथ पॉडकास्ट करने की रियली ग्रेटफुल. ओके सो अबाउट माई एक्सपीरियंस आई वुड से आई स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी फ्रॉम वोडाफोन. मतलब मैंने बीटेक किया है फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन and my first job I got job in Vodafone, so there I was working as an end user. So like my profile itself was related to SAP, so I started my career in SAP itself. So there I was working as an end user, like basically working on purchase orders, shopping cart creations, vendor creations, all those activities. After that मैंने वहाँ पे around 4 years काम किया and it was in the city Ahmedabad.
Okay.
And after that I switched to IDEMIA, which was a French MNC. So there also I was working as an end user in SAP MM itself, and there I worked for 2 years. After that I switched my job to HCL, and there I was working as an end user for a year, and then there was no spike in my career, no growth, no promotions, no hikes, no increments, nothing. So I just thought like it looks like my career got stuck somewhere and I need something else. So I realized that I need to upskill myself.
Okay.
Then I got to know about the other side of SAP, which is a functional consultant related. So it's into IT. तो फिर मैंने decide किया कि I'll upskill myself and I'll get some training and I'll switch my profile. Because anyways I was working in the non-tech profile, so I wanted to switch to technical role. And the best part about SAP is like you don't need any degree or any certification
or coding,
any background or any coding.
Okay.
So that was the best thing. So I started doing the training and उसके बाद I took the course from SAP Garage.
तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा एसएपी गैराज के साथ में जो आपने ट्रेनिंग ली, राइट? तो आपको कितनी हेल्प मिली एसएपी गैराज से टू स्विच योर डोमेन फ्रॉम एंड यूजर टू एसएपी कंसल्टिंग?
ओके या सो फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग मतलब आई डिड दैट 3 months ट्रेनिंग जिसमें मेरा सब कुछ था, लाइक मॉक टेस्ट, इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन, एवरीथिंग, एंड डेफिनेटली ऑल द बेसिक्स अबाउट कंसल्टेंट प्रोफाइल, सारे लॉजिक, सब कुछ, लाइक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, एवरीथिंग आई लर्न देयर. जो भी रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ होती हैं वो मैंने कंप्लीट किया 3 months में. एंड देन आई अगेन गिव इंटरव्यू इंटरनली इन HCL itself and I could easily switch my profile to from end user to consultant role.
So after completing training of 3 months from SAP Garage, right, easily you were able to crack an interview of SAP AMA in
Yes.
HCL itself.
Correct.
Okay. Then
So yeah, that was really a big move for me because
so finally now your profile has been changed from end user to SAP consultant, right?
yes.
Okay.
And then I switched to Accenture. So in HCL I was working as a support consultant, so I learned like how to resolve the issues and all those things which are coming in SAP. And then I switched to Accenture and there I got implementation projects, basically migration ECC to S4HANA. So there I worked on 2 projects and I got to know more about consultant profile. जो भी implementation के steps होते हैं, all those things I learned there. And after that, like I worked there for 2 years, 2 to 3 years, and then again I switched to, currently I'm working in IBM. So that's my like latest current job, and definitely I got very 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 good hike in Accenture also, and then again I would say more than 50%, and in this IBM also.
Okay.
So
तो प्रगति में ये पूछना चाहूँगा, राइट, आपकी क्या एडवाइस रहेगी उन लोगों के लिए, राइट, जो अपना डोमेन चेंज करना चाहते हैं कि मान लो किसी दूसरे डोमेन में जॉब कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना, और एज ए एंड जॉब कर रहे हैं, राइट, तो उनको अगर जॉब स्विच करना है, ठीक है ना, उनको एसएपी में आना है, राइट, तो हाउ दे कैन गो अहेड, राइट?
okay, yeah, so I would suggest कि like सबको ही पता है कि like YouTube, Udemy, everywhere we can see the courses, and SAP doesn't needs any background. तो कोई भी जो भी टेक्निकल में जाना चाहता है, IT मूव होना चाहता है, तो उसके लिए सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन है go for SAP MM प्रोफाइल. MM is like heart of SAP, तो MM is connected with FI, SD everywhere. तो if you know MM, then you can learn other as well, and MM is most demanding. तो I would say कि but when you go to YouTube, then you don't understand कि आपको कहाँ से क्या पढ़ना है.
So you mean you need a trainer, right?
You need a good trainer
जो आपकी हेल्प कर सके ट्रेनिंग में, राइट, और उसके बाद भी आपको सपोर्ट कर सके, करेक्ट?
Correct, yeah. So I would suggest everyone to go for SAP Garage, because I'm telling, मैं कोई marketing नहीं कर रही हूँ, I'm telling from my personal experience, and even I have referred some of my friends and they are also very successful and very satisfied. So like उनकी fees भी बहुत reasonable है and they give very good support even after training also and after getting job also. So I would suggest everyone, like whoever wants to be into go into SAP profile, they should go for this course definitely.
थैंक यू फॉर काइंड वर्ड्स प्रगति। सो प्रगति, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन ये भी ठीक है ना, तो जैसे ही आपने अपना डोमेन चेंज किया हुआ ठीक है ना, फ्रॉम एंड यूजर टू एसएपी कंसल्टेंट, राइट, तो आपको बहुत सारी मुश्किल आई होंगी, राइट, तो क्या क्या चीजें जो आपने फेस की, राइट, जो आप लोगों को बताना चाहो कि ये सारी चीजें इन पर आपको फोकस रखना चाहिए एंड दैट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू, राइट, सो दैट यू कैन इजीली ओवरटेक दोज थिंग्स। क्या क्या आपने चीजें फेस, क्या क्या डिफिकल्टीज आई जब आपने अपना डोमेन चेंज किया एंड यूजर से, ठीक है ना, आप कंसल्टिंग में गए जस्ट बिकॉज पहले आप एज ए एंड यूजर जॉब कर रहे थे, फिर आप कंसल्टिंग में मूव कर गए, राइट, तो डेफिनेटली आपको सारे चैलेंज भी आए होंगे। तो आपको क्या क्या चैलेंज आपने फेस किए थे जब आपने अपना डोमेन चेंज किया, जब आपको पहली जॉब मिली थी एचसीएल में ही इंटरनली एज ए एसएपी एमएम कंसल्टेंट, तो आपने क्या क्या चैलेंज वहां पर फेस किए?
Yes, so I would say कि जब मैं SAP MM end user काम करती थी and then I got to know कि I'm stuck into this और अब मुझे switch करना है and I need to change my profile, तो definitely I started looking for some good trainer, good course, good certification, and then I got to know about you and SAP Garage, और उसके बाद I learned all the things from there. But yes, definitely so much of practice is required. So they provide server access as well. So I did hands-on training and I prepared myself for interviews as well. And uske baad I started giving the interviews outside my organization and inside also. But definitely inside, if you have some opportunity, it's always good to go there, start from there. तो हाँ, चैलेंजेस थे स्टार्टिंग में, काफ़ी चीज़ें मैंने सीखी, उनको पढ़ा समझा, गॉट टू नो अबाउट द लॉजिक्स concepts, and yes, sometimes you have to learn some things like we have in SAP tables and transactions and then configuration paths, so all those things you need to memorize, but once you start practicing you will automatically remember those. So those all were the things, and wherever I used to get stuck, definitely my trainer was always there to help me out, and then again we have other options as well related to SAP sites. So from there also we can check on it. So yeah, there were some challenges, but yeah, because of this training it was all smooth, it all went smoothly.
Thank you for your kind words, Pragati, once again. And Pragati, one more question, right? तो एमएम के जो बच्चे ट्रेनिंग करने के बाद, राइट ना, उनको क्या क्या क्वेश्चन में फोकस करने चाहिए, राइट, सो दैट दे कैन क्रैक इंटरव्यू इजीली? कुछ ऐसे सारे क्वेश्चन होंगे ना जो जनरल क्वेश्चन होंगे, ठीक है ना, जो हमेशा इंटरव्यू पूछे जाते होंगे, तो वो क्या क्या क्वेश्चन हैं, राइट, जो आपने इंटरव्यू दी वो आपने फेस किए होंगे, राइट, जस्ट बिकॉज नाउ यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ आईबीएम, राइट, उससे पहले आप एसेंशियल में थे, उससे पहले आप एचसीएल में थे, राइट, तो आपको आप वो क्वेश्चन शेयर करना चाहोगे कि क्या क्या आपके जो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हैं जो एमएम के बंदे ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं उनको वो लर्न करने चाहिए so that they can easily crack the interview? वो क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस हैं जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं from my perspective?
Okay, so basically like if we talk about freshers, then they should know about the basics of SAP MM. So I would say first, the most important question for experienced as well as for fresher, it's procure to pay cycle, which starts from PR to invoicing. So that is one of the most important question. And then again they should know about the special procurement types,
Subcontracting, consignment,
all those they should be aware, at least they should be knowing about the cycle of it.
Okay.
Then how to create PO, basic transactions which are important. Then
So for fresher level, right, take into for fresher level they need to understand P2P cycle, equal stock type, and PO creation, all right, these are things that they should need to know. Okay.
Yeah. Then yeah, if we talk about experience, then they should be knowing about the integrations as well. So integration with SD, which is stock transport order, then integration with F5, which is automatic account determination. So like they should be knowing about little bit about integration with other modules. That is what is expected.
Okay. So guys, हमारे साथ प्रगति, right? So as you know, right, after completing a training from SAP Garage for 3 months, now she is working IBM, and now her future secure. She has a bright future, and we All say very all the very best to Pragati. Thank you for joining us, Pragati. It's such a privilege to have you on our channel. Thank you so much for